Can rhinitis cause sleep apnea? If you're struggling with allergies and wondering if they could be affecting your sleep, you're not alone. Many people experience symptoms of rhinitis, and it's important to understand how it might impact your sleep, particularly if you have sleep apnea. Rhinitis, whether it's allergic or non-allergic, can significantly affect your breathing and sleep quality. Allergic rhinitis, often known as hay fever, is an allergic reaction that causes symptoms like sneezing, nasal congestion, an itchy nose, and a sore throat. These symptoms can make it difficult to breathe through your nose, forcing you to breathe through your mouth instead. When you breathe through your mouth, you lose the natural filtration that your nose provides, which can worsen sleep apnea symptoms. Sleep apnea is a condition where your breathing stops for short periods during sleep, and it's often caused by an obstruction in the airway. The connection between rhinitis and sleep apnea is clear. Rhinitis can increase airway resistance and reduce the diameter of your pharynx, making it harder to breathe during sleep. This is because the inflammation and congestion in your nasal passages can extend into your airways, causing more frequent and longer apneas, those pauses in breathing that characterize sleep apnea. However, it's important to note that rhinitis itself does not directly cause sleep apnea. Instead, it exacerbates existing sleep apnea symptoms. If you already have sleep apnea, the added effects of rhinitis can make your condition worse. For example, nasal congestion from allergies can disrupt the effectiveness of CPAP therapy, which is commonly used to treat sleep apnea. Using a full face mask instead of a nasal mask can help if your allergies make nasal breathing difficult. Treating allergic rhinitis can help improve sleep quality and reduce the severity of sleep apnea symptoms. Using nasal steroids or leukotriene receptor antagonists can decrease nasal congestion and inflammation, which in turn can improve sleep and daytime fatigue. In summary, while rhinitis does not cause sleep apnea, it can certainly make the symptoms of sleep apnea worse. Managing your allergies can be a crucial step in improving your overall sleep health and reducing the impact of sleep apnea. If you suspect that your allergies are affecting your sleep, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor about the best ways to manage both conditions.